All right, it's Wednesday, June 14th. I'm buying some SPY 435 puts here at 152. This is an aggressive play. If you look at the 15-minute chart, obviously, and I'll do this on a recap video, there was a good morning buy this morning. We had our morning move up towards, the 439 area. What I'm looking, and we have the Fed announcement later this afternoon. Clearly, we're up 3 days in a row on the week, and we're moving up nicely on the weekly chart. So the continuity is all to the upside. So why am I buying puts? Well, the way I see it here is this particular pullback, and then you see kind of this hammer bar and a little bit of a two up. This to me is not like a reversal that looks like it wants to come back and test those highs. It's certainly possible we maybe get close to there, but I'm kind of calling this the key move of the day. I don't see a secondary move to the upside after some exhaustion risk that's in play. And I kind of see this move here as people people are buying it down here, but they're going to get trapped a little bit. I see kind of a whole bunch of stops below this bar, this bar, this bar. And if things really get negative, at least for a little bit of a pullback, we can come all the way down by the afternoon. So I see this little push up here is kind of an opportunity, since I don't see this as a reversal bar and green heading higher. I just see it as buying that's going to get trapped and eventually get taken out with stops, on this little move up here. I'm going to buy some puts right around here, and I'll look for, the 15-minute chart at some point to kind of fail, get me a two down, take out those stops, then set up a no-risk trade and see if maybe we can end up with a little bit of a pullback bar in here after you can almost sense it as a measured move up. I'm not saying, we aren't heading higher in the bigger picture, or maybe we'll continue to head higher with this momentum day after day after day. But I look at this particular structure, I see the morning move here. I see a pullback that doesn't look like it wants to take out that high. And that's why I can anticipate somewhere up in here will roll over and at least take out some lows down here, and then see what kind of negative day might unfold to maybe pull back into this gap in the next 2 days of the week. But we don't know that for sure. But for now, I think it's pretty high probability you're at least going to get a move to the bottom of the range. And then we'll see how the day ends up after the Fed announcement.